Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Spanish cuisine to learn how to make the mouth-watering patatas bravas, a traditional and irresistible Spanish tapa. Patatas bravas, or brave potatoes, are crispy, golden potato chunks smothered in a spicy, smoky tomato sauce. Delicioso! Step 1. Slice your potatoes into bite-sized pieces and give them a gentle boil until tender. Then, drain and let them cool. Step 2. Heat up a pan with olive oil and fry those potatoes until they're perfectly crispy and golden brown. Step 3. For the sauce, blend tomatoes, garlic, and a hint of smoky paprika together. This is the brava sauce that gives our dish its spicy kick. Step 4. Generously drizzle the brava sauce over your crispy potatoes, making sure each piece gets a taste of that spicy goodness. Final step, add a touch of freshness with chopped parsley on top. It not only adds color but also enhances the flavor. And there you have it, the sensational patatas bravas, a true taste of Spain that'll transport your taste buds to the streets of Barcelona. If you enjoyed this delectable journey, don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more mouth-watering recipes from around the world. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep cooking and exploring the flavors of the world with us.